a big one coming. Whoa! Get your surfboard, man. Private. It's not quite made corporal yet then. A wee seat. I got to sit here for 2 minutes. Oh man. My pocket guide. This is walk number 4. They're trying to do it with your gloves. There it is. Dunbar to Dunglass. Just beyond Torness is a campsite at Thornton Loch, to the south of which the walk continues along the beach. Across the Thornton burn, continue to a second burn. That must have been the Thornton burn. Cross a footbridge here and turn right. After a short distance the path swings left to follow a field edge at the top of the slope above the shore. The path is often overgrown beyond this, but the route is clear. After a little over a mile, it descends into the wooded den of the Billsdean Burn. It turns down to the shore, passing a fine waterfall. Turn right along the shore. This final stretch of the path is tidal. Be careful not to be caught by it. Right. There we go. Can you hear me? Testing, testing. Yes. Right, I'll see if I can stand up without groaning. Ah! Not possible. Oh. Oh. Bit of a path here. Not much on. Save walking on the pebbles though. Ah, here's the second bridge. And then turn right, it says. There we go. Muir link. Survey works. Alright, anyway, Muir link. Fantastic. There's power station. I can no longer see the Bass Rock or Barnes Nest Lighthouse. So I might get in to Cockburnspath for the 2:30 bus. I'm not going to rush. I think there's a 3:30 bus as well. Border buses, I think it is. Or Borders buses. Very handy service. Up the brae. The muddy brae, the muddy, muddy banks of Thornton Loch. There's the cement works away in the distance. Inverness Power Station, Thornton Loch Caravan Park. So we've not got smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness, the manure. Nice healthy smell. Oh, Oldham Stocks 2, that road sign says. I don't think that's the A1, I'm not sure. It might well be. I think it is. I think this is the high point of this wee walkway now. I'm quite a height up. Going round the bend. I'm going to have to put my hat back on. It's really cold. My goodness, look at that. Oh, that's very uneven ground. Donald, Debbie, I need you, son. My goodness, that is very uneven. See a wee walkway to ahead here. Is this it? I think it is. Yeah. Oh. Down a wee muddy brae. No signposts. I'm glad I've got that wee book actually. Handy wee guide. I think the camera's been pointing upwards. I never noticed. What an idiot. Of course I'm not really watching the camera. I'm trying to watch my footing on this rough ground. Up, up, up. I've not met any other walkers. Well, apart from like people just out with their dogs locally, but walking the John Muir link, maybe I'm the only one daft enough to do it in December. Although it's gorgeous sunshine, it's just a cold wind, that's all. I'm thirsty. Been a good walk, but this hat slipping and sliding all over the place. The stress of small annoyances. I don't know if that's the phrase, but you get the gist. It's the little things that stress you out. Quite dramatic cliffs. You can just imagine the fun you could have had more bairns or had access to places like this. Although we were quite lucky where we grew up. We had the beach, we had the woods, had all the fields, I suppose. Quite a good place to grow up, pressing pans. Wow, look at that. Underneath the arches, I dream my dreams away. Oh, there's a copyright strike on YouTube. No, that surely must be public domain now. I think that's the first time the sun's been at my back all day. Oh! Pheasant, partridge. Can't be a partridge, there's no pear trees around about. Oh dear. I don't know how long the gimbal's been off. I think it's dead. It's flashing. Flash, flash, flash. There's no lights left. Yeah, I think the gimbal's dead. Yeah, that's it, died. Oh well. Lasted well. I'll just walk up here a wee bit. Just handheld now, this camera. So if there's any bobbing along on the bottom of the beautiful briny sea. Up a wee brae, just to test my knees out. See Torness just through the trees there in the distance. Oh, I wouldn't like to be here when it's icy or muddy. My goodness, that's what you call steep. Oh, a waterfall! Yeah! I think there's might be a path into that bit. There we go. Wow. Spectacular. There we go. Now, is that possible? I think it might be. It's impassable. John Muir link. Just what you need for your knees at this stage of the walk. There's no flat bit on the whole beach. I've seen the cliffs, it's quite dramatic. Whoa! No, maybe next time. There's a big one coming. Nearly. I don't know how far I've got to scramble along this beach. It's rough walking though. Don't know what that is. Clay. Oh yeah, it's very... try to remember what the word is. I can't remember. No brittle, but friable, I think. Friable. Oh! Yay! There's a bucket. John Muir link. Wow! Oh, I'm going to get strength to walk up this bit. Oh, aye, aye, aye. Now, what's that? I take it it's this way. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, that's why I think the beach just comes to a rocky bit there. There's no beach really. I don't know what that river is. I hope it's something like the River Dunglass or something. Dunglass water. There's a big house down there. Now, which way? That's private. So I won't go that way. What a lovely big house. There's the road to Cove. Maybe some other day, but not today. Wow, it's dramatic. If that's picking it up. Big bridge across the road. A lovely bit of civil engineering. Of course, civil engineers are the best engineers. It's not mechanical engineers. Hey Morgan. I think that's me off the Christmas card list. Wow. Look at that. Red sandstone, I think that is. It's quite dramatic. Now then, Dunbar 11. Now, where did I go? Dunglass Bridge. I think I may be at Dunglass. I'm going to have to get the map out. Anyway, I'm at Dunglass. Dunbar to Dunglass. Walk number 4. Thanks for joining me. I should have this up next year. Well, next year's only a few weeks away. It'll take me a while to edit this. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon, hopefully. Ta-ta.